braid your hair?
I don't even know when to braid. I'm tired.
You should braid it. What's your white time? I could feel uncomfortable.
No complaining, no mommy star. What what's not so long, but you choose to make my brain.
She's very good. You don't want to come out.
Brewer. Sag ban so ya dio. Oh, could ya? Could ya dance?
Sag ban.
Oh, hey, oh, you wait. I mean, pay me Tibono.
I'm up to the market.
Okay. Duffy, please come closer. How much does your husband give you for the market?
Are you confused? She's asking you how much does he give you?
What?
Now all your guys are on.
Are you serious right now? Just take a close look at yourself. This is Mommy, you deserve better.
Better.
Let me tell you, do you know what I take for the market?
Tell her.
My husband gives me 100 cedis. You need to top up. Why?
Yours is even small. My husband, Akwesi, he gives me 200 cedis for every day. And for that one, make her train say, on sound to not 200 cedis there. Me dey then 50 cedis.
Hey, sure. That's so small.
Me when you dey. Me ji become more. Obaka so 50 cedis. Also 100 cedis ne there.
I'll tell him to top up.
You better do. 50 cedis is not enough.
Yes, I will battery a dia sumbu. Dia sumbu ma